Alright, it looks kind of a little weird, but I could rewrite, I want to find this derivative. So you're like, well, why is she talking and she's not telling us what she wants? So I want to find the derivative, and this looks like a quotient. All I'm going to do is kind of rewrite, I'll put the negative with the 18, doesn't matter, it's the entire fraction, but let's rewrite that denominator to the 1/6 power. Remember, like square root's 1/2, so that root is our denominator. And so from here now, I think I'm going to try a quotient rule. And even this piece right here is going to contain the chain rule, because I see an inside that I'm going to have to take a derivative of. So here we go. Take the derivative of the top, which is nice, is 0. Just for sake of clarity, we know anything you multiply by 0 is going to be 0, but then we leave the bottom alone. Minus, leave the top alone. And now notice when I take the derivative of the bottom, the power, the 1/6, is going to come down. Leave the inside alone, so I've left the inside alone. And then here I'm going to take the power that was there and subtract 1 is how I'm getting -5/6. And this is the part most students forget. This is a chain rule. You still have to take the derivative of this inside. So the derivative of 2x is 2. And then this is all over the bottom squared. Surprisingly, you can make this look a little better. So, definitely you can see, if I can get a pencil going here, you can see all that goes away. Then what I'm going to do here is my negative and a negative is going to be a positive. I have this 6 will go into the 18 3 times, and then 3 times 2. So if you're wondering where in the world did she come up with a 6, that's where I came up with a 6. So notice all that is left is the 2x plus 1 to the -5/6. Remember, on the bottom, when you have a power like this on the outside, you can bring it in and multiply it, so that would be 2/6. And then when the powers are the same, when the bases are the same, you remember that rule that you can subtract? So you can subtract the powers. So -5/6 minus 2/6 would be -7/6. And if it's negative, then it would stay on the bottom. So that step right there is probably kind of weird, but again, you had to remember that you can, same bases when you're dividing. That's a horrible looking 7/6. That's not 9, that's 7/6. That you can subtract the powers. And that's it.